Stage 1 video 1. Let's talk about the video. My name is Luis Antonio Futuro. I am 24 years old. I am from Sogamoso, Boyacá. Explain each state mentioned in the video. State 1. For the different situation where you will he spoken in English. Step 2. Understand why translating English into another language is a bad idea. Step 3. Learn to use context to listen and understand English better. Step 4. Think of different situations in where you listen to English and try to understand. Step 5. Make a lesson plan to improve your listening comprehension and English. 2 situation. First, you are listening to an English teacher speaking British English, speaking alone and slowly and surely, easy or difficult. Next, you listening to an native English speaker from Scotland who speaks with a Scottish accent and also use a lot of slang and in order give English word. Do you think will this be easy or difficult for the men? 3. They began the language in the Portuguese. Rule are number 1. Do something every day. Rule are number 2. Do something different every day. What is the lesson plan that they propose? Monday. Listen to 1, 2 songs 2 or 3 times each. Tuesday. Listen to a podcast with American voices. Monday. Watch 15 minutes of a TV show for the UK. Thursday. Do a listening exercise from a textbook. Friday. Watch 15 minutes of a news show. Saturday. Watch 15 minutes of an old movie. Sunday. Call a friend and spend 15 minutes speaking in English. What kind of lesson plan will propose? Monday, Tuesday, watching screen. This and help improve your English through short videos that include claims from movies, TV. show commercials or videos of cultural interest. Wednesday, Tuesday, listen to 20 minutes of music in English. Friday to Saturday, watch videos in English of what you like best. Sunday, listen to canto that and music and interest you and try to listen to the same content 7 times. You to stick to your playing. It is much easier to learn to listen to English through videos and music since we can choose our topics of interest. In having in mind the video where when you obtain material to practice English easy where on Google or the search engine of your choice. There are lots of stuff out there which is free if you have an internet connection. Yet you have to work in little to find materials that will suit you.